What's going on, guys? Just getting everything set up real quick. Um, Let me see. So I'm gonna be breaking down the market, and I'm gonna be also watching Bitcoin. I know everyone's watching it right now. It's on really high alert, but let's see what we can see what's happening. Thank you for everyone tuning in also, and feel free to drop the stocks that y'all want me to break down. If y'all want me to break down a certain stock, let me know in the chat. But I'm coming out with a Bitcoin video tomorrow, and I talked about these levels on video, so be sure to stay tuned for that. It's going to be a really exciting video. It's going to be my first cryptocurrency video. But I charted out several levels. So the first level I was talking about was at 22,631, right? So we know that we had a bunch of buyers right here. So we knew that this was a strong support area, and we also knew that there was a strong resistance area right here at 23,975. So we got rejected here multiple times. So in order for us to continue this uptrend, we had to break through this resistance line, and that's exactly what we did. Then we came down to confirm it as a support 2 times. So we know that this was a strong area. That's why I kept it there. And then ultimately I have these purple lines because that's where we have small levels, small support levels, and small resistance levels. So right now we are pushing up on Bitcoin. Looks really exciting, and we may hit 27,000 very soon here. Anyways, guys, that people that are tuning in, what are y'all watching going into the session on Monday and Tuesday? I'm personally watching AMD, making sure that we hold this level right here at, where's that, 2159. As long as we hold that level, I'm pretty chill on this one, and I don't want us getting below 89.29. So if we do break this level, I do expect to pull back down here, and ultimately that would just be a good dip buying opportunity. Let's see what I'm much. Oh, I also am watching NNDM as well. I'm actually long in that. So I just posted a video on NNDM. So if you haven't checked that out, go ahead and check that out. I charted out several levels and talked about different levels I'm watching in that video. So guys, just let me know as you're coming in, what stocks you're watching, and then we can go from there. But like I said, this week was really short, so not too much action, really not too much to go off of. But NNDM is something that I want to hold long term, and I did get in at 815, so it was a pretty cool level. It says I just have one person here, so since you're the only one in here, what are you watching, man? Or girl, if you are a girl. Also, I wanted to mention as well Square and PayPal is going to be on high alert for me on Monday because they are invested in Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin is still up this much, which I'm pretty sure it will be on the session on Monday and Tuesday or whatever, I think we're going to see a massive pop on Square and also PayPal as well. So let's take a look at PayPal. Yeah, PayPal almost got down to my buy opportunity. I didn't actually grab any. I should have though, but I was looking at 2 areas, 237 and then 234. So as long as we kept that area, I was pretty cool with that. But we are getting a good dip buying opportunity on PayPal, but I think we are really about to take off on the session on Monday if Bitcoin is still up as much as it is right now. Tesla, same scenario as my live stream that I did. I think it was on Friday. Yeah, it was on Friday, Christmas Eve. No, Thursday. It was Thursday night. Hey, what's up, Rocky? You in here, man? You wanted me to stream? If you're in here, Rocky, go ahead and type in the chat. By the way, he's in my Discord server, so the viewers that are watching this from a recording, or if y'all watching live, if y'all haven't joined my Discord server, go ahead and join that really quick. That's where we post charts through the day and all of that, so don't miss out on that action as well. But talking about Tesla, scenario still hasn't changed since my live stream on Thursday night. And if you missed that, I'll go a little recap on that. So we need to get above 665 going into the session on Monday. I'm looking for that gap up or just move up to resistance. Now we definitely need to hold 645. If we don't hold 645, then we are probably heading back down towards this area at 627. But either way, I think we're going to have an amazing time. Rocky, you said maybe let's wait for others too. Sure, man, we can wait in here. I know we have one other person in here, but we can wait for some people. Yeah, we can wait for some other people. But guys, this stream's going to be mainly about NIO, Tesla, and I was also going over Bitcoin in the beginning. How many, are any of y'all watching Bitcoin right now? Let's take a look at Bitcoin. Where's this at? Cryptocurrency? Coinbase? It's about to hit 27,000. How many of y'all in Bitcoin or watching Bitcoin? I actually am in Bitcoin, not in that many. I'm in fractional shares, but it's been on this massive tear, and I'm having this video I'm coming out tomorrow with, and I'm talking about these key levels right here. Because believe it or not, you can actually chart out Bitcoin just like any other stock, and it does fall within these levels. So I'll have a really updated video discussing these levels and why we're actually up so much. But I guess y'all get like a little sneak peek at the levels that I charted out. So these are levels I'm watching for Bitcoin. Now I know it is a Saturday night, so I don't expect too many people in here. But if you are in here, thank you for tuning in. Like I said, y'all can just go ahead and call out those stocks that you want me to go over, and other people, if they're interested, can watch it as a recording. So Rocky, if you just want to go ahead and get your stocks called out, go ahead. Lisa, thank you for the kind comment. You said, hi there. Started following you a few weeks ago. Love your content. Thanks for all your help. No problem, Lisa. Is my chart helping your trading going anywhere or your investing going anywhere? Appreciate that kind of comment. I really do. And some people are starting to come in. If you're starting to come in, just go ahead and drop those tickers in the chat. Let me know what you want me to break down. But I was going over Tesla. I was talking about how that we do have a resistance line at 665, and then we do have a support at 645. So we need to either push through that level at resistance or hold support on Monday session. NIO, same scenario. I actually just made a video about NIO. If y'all haven't checked that out, go ahead and check that out. I talked about this scenario where we possibly could hit $70, but realistically we may hit 60. Now I'm not saying we will, but NIO Day, I have this huge vertical line right here. So what's up? You want me to do? Okay, we got some tickers coming in here. Lisa, you said I watch your NIO TA daily. Thank you. Would you be able to do AL? Yeah, sure. I'll do it in the order that are called out. So I'll do Palantir first, then we'll move on to your stocks. So Palantir, wow. So I was looking at this level right here on Friday. I was looking at 28.14. Now that was a strong support. I did not want it to get below that. It did fall below that on the session on Thursday, because it was a short week. And now I'm looking forward to some type of retest on this support level at around 27.10. So if we can hold this line, on Monday, then I'm still bullish on Palantir, but we really don't need to get below that, because if we get below that, then we're probably heading back down to at least 25.45. So be careful with Palantir. You want to see some type of recovery going to the session on Monday. NIO, I was just talking about in the beginning of this live stream that I just made a video on that, but I talked about how we need to hold support at 44.73. As long as we hold support at 44.73, then we're doing pretty much fine. But I charted out this big vertical line because this is NIO Day, so that's a huge catalyst coming up. So I just wanted y'all to see how far that is actually away and that we're actually closing in on it. So if you haven't watched that video, go ahead and take a look at that video, because I go really in depth in NIO. But basically all I said was that 44.73 need to hold. So yeah, Lisa, I would do AAL for you. So I tried this one out a little while ago. Let me get some new lines in here. So obviously that we fell below this support at 1640. Now we needed to hold that area, so we fell below it. So we are bearish momentarily. Now we found support. We have a huge support line right here at 1550. So it looks like we're actually heading back down to that area. I wouldn't buy until we got down to that area. And then I have a stop loss right here, probably at 1485. So that's how I would structure this trade. I'd be patient and wait for that dip buying opportunity. But overall, it looks like it is trying to recover. I know this has been hit from the coronavirus. So like I said, it's been trying to recover. It hit highs of 1863 recently. and then now it's starting to kind of dip. So I wouldn't mind a dip buying opportunity at 1550. All right, you may do Jima. I actually gave this chart out in my Discord. So Lisa and Iwell, if y'all haven't joined, free Discord in the link below. If y'all want to chart with me during market open or whenever, I literally post charts where active. So I'd be more than happy to have both of y'all in there. But anyways, guys, so let's chart out Jima. Now, I've charted out this 42.69 area. That's where we need, if we pull back, we need to hold that area. So we've been doing this amazing uptrend on this stock, and I'm looking for it to hold at 42.69. And if it falls through there, my next level of support is at 38.39, and obviously we have a resistance here at 48.75. But if I were to get into Jima, I'd have my stop loss at 41.29. But amazing stock overall. It's been doing an amazing uptrend, so I would not worry about this dip buy right here. I just want to see it hold at 42.69. So JKS. Okay, this one's actually been going pretty horizontal, actually. So we have a huge support here at 58.95. We know we've held there multiple times before. Then we have a resistance level. Let's see. Yeah, right here at 81.96. So right here, we're in this little mid-range between support and resistance. So let's find a line, a mini support in here so you can structure a trade off of. So let me get my horizontal tool out right here. This is actually a pretty good one. So I'm going to put this one yellow. So if I was looking to buy Jima, it would be right here, or not, sorry, Jima, JKS, it'd be right here. Wouldn't want it going below just because this was a previous resistance level, so now it's acting as a support. But horizontal stock overall, I'd be taking a look out on this one. What's up, Daniel? How you been, man? Hope you had a good Christmas. Yeah, I had a really, really good Christmas. I hope you did as well. Catched up on some rest. I slept for like, I think I went to bed on Christmas Day at like 6:30 p.m. Didn't wake up this morning until 9 a.m. So I was exhausted these past couple weeks just with posting YouTube videos and, you know, launching my membership program. So it's been a long week, so I finally caught up on some sleep. Hope you had an amazing one too, Daniel, and I hope you got some rest and got to spend some time with your family. Are there any other stocks that y'all want me to chart out as new members or new viewers are coming in here? Lisa, did you look at the RSI and MACD? For which stock, Lisa? Are you talking about your American Airlines? RSI. You're talking about American Airlines, right, Lisa? I mean, if you're going off of the RSI, yeah, American Airlines is oversold. But like I said, I don't know if I've mentioned this in previous videos, but I really don't trade off of technical, or I don't trade off of indicators. I do price action mainly. Oh, just overall? Oh, Lisa, okay, you're just saying overall. Yeah, Lisa, I don't really use indicators. I like just using price action, these support resistance levels. I mean, indicators, some people trade off of them, but I typically don't trade off of them. I like trading solely based off of technical analysis. I just believe that indicators are a little bit of noise, and they're not good at predicting future levels. They just use data off of past levels. They don't use data off of future levels necessarily. Fubo, what's up, Daniel? Sure, my man. Appreciate all of y'all starting to tune in. I'm missing to Lisa and Iwell before, or when they just joined, that I have a free Discord server, guys. Hop in that and we can chat and chart whatever after the stream is done during market open. So Fubo, okay. So obviously had this huge uptrend. We are having this pullback right now. The level I'm looking at, Daniel, right now on Fubo is 42.21. So we really need to hold this level on Fubo. I'd have my stop loss. I mean, I'd have it pretty wide. I might even have it down to here. So 40.09, that's how I structure Fubo, but it really needs to hold this level. FSR, let's get that. FSR. Fisker. Okay, tried this one out before too as well. So right now we have this mini support right here at 1630. So we need to hold this in the session on Monday. If we don't, we're probably falling back down to another dip buy opportunity at 14.59, and then we need to break above this resistance at 16.81. That's what I'm looking for. And on the session on Monday, we need some continuation. So right now we had this huge uptrend. We're getting the consolidation period, like a bull flag type scenario. So we need to continue that uptrend. DS. All right. So we have strong support here, and then we have a strong resistance line right here at 297. So if you're bullish on this, it needs to hold this level right here. It needs to get above 297. But overall, this looks like a little bit of a penny stock. It's 280. I mean, yeah, I stay away from these cheap types of stocks. Is there going to be a sell-off for NIO on Monday? What's up, Daniel? Good question, my man. So I talked about this on NIO that we need to hold 44.73, right? So this is a strong support level on NIO. We need to hold it. If we're going to have this bullish momentum continue, we need to really hold 44.73. If we don't, then honestly, my next strong level is at 38.14, and I really don't want to see it dipping below that or getting to that level. And I just posted a NIO video. If you want to check that out, I'll go more in depth. But overall, we need to hold this 44.73. MVIS. Got you, Lisa. Got you. Like I said, guys, as y'all are tuning in, just let me know stocks you want me to call out, and I'll get them in the order that y'all call them out in. Okay, Lisa, so we need to hold the 640 level. So this is a strong level that we need to hold on Microvision. If we don't hold this level, then the next level I'm looking for is at 578. But it looks we've held this level multiple times before. So on Monday, Lisa, look out for this level. And if we continue this uptrend, I don't see another resistance till $8. So keep an eye on that level. But Micro is doing just fine if it holds this level at 640. XL Fleet, please. Sure, got you, my man. Thank you for being here. It looks like this stock has very low volume or something has happened. Did it go through a split, or why did it tank all the way from $57 to what was that, $17? I wouldn't touch this one. Bullink. I wouldn't touch this one. There's manipulation or something's going off of this one. But we do have a support here at 24.28, and then really after that we don't have much levels to this level right here at 29.46. So, but I'd stay away from this one for the time being. Tesla, okay, my man, Daniel, I got you. So Tesla has a strong resistance at 665. As long as we can break above that, we'll be bullish on Monday. Now we do have a support at 645. So I'm looking for, if we do have a pullback on Monday, I want it to hold the support level and then continue the uptrend, or the scenario that we gap up and we go maybe retest the support at 665 and then we continue that uptrend. But I don't want it going below 645, Daniel. Guys, if you're just tuning in, just let me know what stocks you want me to break down. Thank you. Any recommendations on what stocks to invest in swinging? How do you pick out stocks to get into? Lisa, I just really, to be honest, I just trade stocks that I like. Like I like Apple. I use their products. I mean AMD. I have a computer that has an AMD chip in it. So I mean I just look for stocks that I like, companies that I like. So Lisa, consider, like, that's my best advice for someone looking to invest in stock. Invest in what you use. Like Warren Buffett said the same thing. He drinks Coca-Cola. He's invested billions and billions of dollars in Coca-Cola. So just look for the companies you use, then chart them out. That's what I've been doing a lot for the companies that I watch or I use. Like I use AMD, Amazon, Facebook, Microsoft. I use all these companies, so I chart them out and trade them. XL just merged. Okay, I will. Well, yeah. So for if it's a new company, if it's a merger, if it was a SPAC, if you like the company, look into the company that they merged with. If you like that company, then I consider investing in it. DraftKings and PIN. Got you. Thank you for all the new viewers tuning in right now. Thank you. Appreciate it. DraftKings, talked about this level. We've held it multiple times at 51.78. As long as we can hold this level right here, I'm bullish on DraftKings. It's done beautiful holding this level before. So if we do get below it though, my stop is at 50.58. And then my resistance level is at 55.80. We got rejected here several times. PIN. Okay, this is actually a good one. Thank you, Daniel, for bringing this one up. So we have a resistance line here at 93.94, and then we have a support level right here at 85.56. So right now we had the breakout play, and we're testing this support level from the upside. So I wouldn't want PIN getting below this support level, and I'd put my stop loss at 92.28. But right now we've had the breakout play, and we're just holding this level right here. So Monday session, I wouldn't want it dipping below the support, but if it did, my stop loss would be at 92.28. Overall, it's doing good on this massive uptrend, so good stock. I'd want to watch this level on Monday though. AMD, I actually have that on my watch list. So I'm actually investing in AMD right now. Great stock overall. We've had this good run. I'm looking at this intraday support right here at, what's this, 91.54. I want us to hold this level. If we hold this level, I'm bullish. If we break below it, we'll probably see a dip to 89.29. So hopefully we don't get that big of a dip, but if we do, I'm looking for it to hold just because we've held this level before. Thank you for all the new people tuning in, guys. Like I said, I would love to see you join my Discord server. It's completely free. I have a free section, and if y'all would consider, if you want to, you can join my membership. $10.99 a month. I literally go live like this every single night before market open. Daniel's actually in it, so he can give you his opinion on that. But I do this exact scenario where they call out their stocks like you're doing now, and then I break them down on stream. Ride, okay, Daniel, I got you. Ride. So Ride, I talked about this as well. So 2096, we held this level multiple times before. It acted as a resistance, so we know that this is a strong level. As long as we can hold this level, then we're bullish on Ride. But I'll be looking for maybe a retest back down to support. And then my next resistance level that I'm looking out for is this resistance right here at 2340. So I'll be paying attention to this. Now, last time I did chart Ride, we had this breakout. So we actually got the breakout on Ride. So I consider, do we hold this support level? And if we do, then we're bullish. And my next resistance level is at 2340. Just because look how many times we got rejected here. Got rejected here 3 times. So this is a level we need to look at. Tesla Colt Watch Party. What's up, Alan? Just joining here. Appreciate you, bro. Appreciate you being a loyal subscriber. Tesla, yeah. So Alan, we need to hit 665 and get above it on Monday. Tesla's looking bullish as long as we can get above that level. Now, I wouldn't mind a retest to support at 645, but we don't need to get below that level, Alan. So that's the levels I'm watching for that. Appreciate all the Tesla fans being here. I got you. I'm in Tesla as well. What's up? Any thoughts on CLNE? Okay, let's look at that. Let's see. Some news happened for this one. So let's see. Some type of news happened for this one. I would stay away from this one right now until whatever dies down, but we can look at some levels. So 822 level of support, and we obviously have a bunch of sellers up here at 1077. So I'd stay away from this one until I knew what news was happening. Like I said, I don't know these levels. Nate, you said no. What you said no about? Baba. Yeah, sure. So Baba, we all knew that one had some huge news. Do you think Baba will? Okay. So Baba, we found buyers right here at 211. So we know that's a support level. Now, right now, our resistance level is obviously at 230. So we got up, we got rejected, and we finished at 222. So Baba, guys, I made a video. I talked about this on my NEO video, actually. So I talked about this on my NEO video, and I'm going to talk about it here as well. So Baba's being investigated by the Chinese government for the antitrust. You know, they're thinking it's a monopoly, right? Guys, it happens all the time here in the United States with Facebook, Amazon, Microsoft, Apple. All of these stocks literally get investigated 2 to 3 times a year, I'm telling you. And they initially have a negative reaction, and then they just recover. But something to keep in mind, though, this is the Chinese government, and they are a little stricter. Alan, would you say 3 days a week? But yeah, sorry, I lost my thought process. But they are a little stricter. The Chinese government is a little stricter than the United States government, so they may they may break it up. They may break Baba up. But my experience with the United States is happening in the United States. Trust me, they literally tried to do this for Amazon, Facebook, Apple, and all of that. And it never gets broken up. So this may be an overreaction. Alan, it's Sunday through Thursday night, so 5 days a week. The only days I don't stream for my members is, Friday night and Saturday night. It's literally, I stream Sunday through Thursday for them. So if you're interested in that, Alan, join my free Discord, and then we can hook you up and get you into the membership. Neo, got you, Nate. Got you, my man. Oh, you mean the market this week? Oh, okay. No, the market, it is Monday through Friday this week. The Monday through Thursday was last week. That was for Christmas. This is the whole. Wait, or is it different because of New Year's? I don't know. It may only be 3 day a week again. I'm not sure. I'll have to look into that. It may be. I'll look into that for you. But here's Neo's scenario for you, Nate. We need to hold this 4473 area. 4473 area. We need to hold this area. As long as we can hold this area, we're going to be bullish on NEO. But if we dip below it, we may head back to the 38.14 area. But I'm bullish. I'm bullish on NEO as long as we can hold this area. And we do have NEO Day coming in January 9th. So keep that in mind, guys. We do have an important date coming up for us. Oh, so it's closed on Friday, or is it a half a day, guys? So is it half a day? I hope it's a full day. So I hope, are we closed, or is it half a day New Year's Eve? Let's look at it. Stock market New Year's Eve hours. Is it, hold on, let's look at this. Let's look this up on stream. So we're closed Friday. New Year's Eve. Okay. You're right, guys. It is half a day Thursday. Thank you. It closed at 2 p.m. right here, Christmas Eve. Wow. Darn, so we are having a short week this week. Wow, that sucks. I was looking forward to a full week this week. Man, I know a lot of y'all are disappointed too. Wow. Yeah, I got you. I'll do your call out. Let me do LI for you, Daniel, first, though. LI Auto, same scenario as NEO and XPeng and all other stocks. We're below support right now on this 30.05. We need to get above it. As long as we get above it, we're bullish. If not, we're heading back down to 26.40. And then we have a resistance at 31.41. All right, PACB. We'll get that for you, man. Yeah, Daniel, I'm really disappointed, too. I thought we would have a full week this week. All right, man, so PACB is holding support right now at 26.97. As long as we can hold that, I'm bullish. We have a resistance here at this wick up here at 29.42. If we're continuing this uptrend, we need to get above that level right there. But on this one, I would have my stop loss. Let's see. I'd have it at 26.37. That's where I stop out at. But it's doing amazing on this uptrend. It confirmed this support right here, and then it went up, and it continued up. So this is doing a good one. PSTG. Appreciate everyone tuning in. Thank you. Thank you so much. Let's see. So we have a support here at 23.61. We know that because it was a previously resistance level. And then buyers came in right here. And on this wicket came here as well. We have a resistance level right here at 24.48. So keep that in mind. And then if we break below this level, then I'm looking for another support level right here at 22.71. But amazing uptrend as well. This is a good stock. Palantir. Oh my goodness, yes. So Daniel, this one broke support at 28.14. Now, if we're bullish on Monday, like I said, I'd like to see it hold this level at 27.07. As long as we can hold that level, I'm still bullish on Palantir, Daniel. Won't this week coming up be a down week? Traders need to sell to pay their taxes. Alan, no, I wouldn't think so. Not really, because us retail traders, we can't move the market. It's the big banks that are moving the market. So I don't know. Maybe that theory might apply to the big banks with paying taxes, but they get out of taxes so much, and they have so many tax breaks. It's insane. So, like I said, all of this in this chat right now wouldn't even have enough money to move the market. It takes hundreds and billions of dollars to move the market. Visa, got you. Visa, okay. So we've actually been consolidating pretty much for a long time here. So we have strong support here at 204, and then we have a strong resistance right here at 213. So we've been in this range for quite some time. So right now, actually buying at the support at 204 would have been a good trade. And as long as we continue this uptrend, we don't have a resistance to 213. So Visa's in this range right here. I actually like trading these stocks in a range like this. So this looks like to be a good one. Navis. Abdul, what's up? I think I just did that for someone. Did I? Mavis. Sorry, I did Mavis. Am I typing something wrong, Abdul? Maxr. Okay. For Maxer, Daniel, for this one, as long as we can hold this level right here at 34.92, I'm bullish, and I have my stop loss here at 34.25. But overall, this has been doing amazing. As long as we can get above this resistance at 37.56, because notice that we had sellers right here multiple times. As long as we can get above this level, we're doing completely fine. CLNE. So I would stay away from this one. I just charted this one out. This one obviously has had some huge news on this. We had sellers here at 1076, and we have found support at 822, but there's been some type of huge news on this one, so I'd stay away from this one. Thoughts on sentiment on Monday? Consider no stimulus. I mean, obviously it will have a bullish reaction if something is passed, but a lot of it, like he said, I don't think the market cares much about stimulus anymore. Yeah, like he said, it's been so like thrown out in the air, and there's been so much volatility around it. Yes, we'll have some type of initial reaction, but it won't be a huge reaction like, over here we've seen these huge green candles over here in the past. So I don't think it'll have too much effect on it. I mean, when they announced the $600 checks, we saw some intraday volatility, like right here, look how far we've pushed down. But overall, I don't think we'll see too much action in the long run. Halion. Appreciate everyone tuning in, guys. Thank you for calling out your stocks. I'll get to y'all as they come in. Halion. Oh, yeah, I broke this down Friday stream. Right now, it's looking really bad for Halion. As long as we stay below this resistance right here, I'm not bullish on Halion. We need to get above it. So as long as we get back above these levels right here, then I'll be bullish on Halion again. So we obviously have a strong resistance here at 1873. And then until we get back above 1873 in this range right here, I'm not bullish on Halion. And I have my stop loss here. If I were to get in right now, I have my stop loss at this last leg of hope at 1527. Egon. What's up, everyone tuning in? Thank you for tuning in on a Saturday night. Appreciate y'all being here. Thank you. And if y'all haven't, go ahead and join my free Discord. We can continue this conversation after I get off of live, and we can chat. And like I said, it's very active. So Egon, if I'm saying that right, hopefully. So we had some type of negative reaction. So it was an earnings negative reaction. We gapped down from $16 all the way down to what was this? $13. So it obviously had a bad earnings or bad earnings reaction, right? It doesn't look like it had an actual bad earnings, but it had a bad earnings reaction. But we did find some support at 1080, and then I found it right here at 1196. We found resistance. Alan said, hold up, is Discord free chat room? I don't even know what it is. Yeah, Alan, Discord is like free. Like you can literally download Discord for free. And the chat room is completely free. The only thing that I offer for a paid subscription is my membership subscription, where I do these stock calls like this, but I do this every single night for them before market open. So that's the only paid thing I offer, but this is completely free. So just download Discord and you can join this free room. You don't even have to pay anything. So we obviously have a resistance level right here at 1196. Right now we're just consolidating. We're having a little bull flag. So it looks like we're bullish on this stock. FIII. Why did you do that? I'll answer Alan's question. Alan, you said what other stocks YouTubers are crazy about? SB and NDMA. Okay, I'll tell you the ones. I'll go over those in a second. Give me 1 second. Let me break this down for Daniel. So, this is a merger. Oh, Daniel loves the mergers. I do too. Daniel, thank you for coming up with all these SPAC and all those. You always bring in those. So you know a lot about these. I know you do. You've been always telling me about these. So we have support here, mid support right here. We have a resistance level right here at 1312. Right now we're holding it. And as long as we can hold this level, I'm bullish. But like I said, this is a SPAC. So it's going to merge with a company. So this is news driven. And obviously what company they're going to merge with. So if you're getting these type of companies, get in it to hold for the longer term. But like I said, Daniel, he always brings up a lot of these good ones, especially the EV ones. Thanks, man. No problem, Adrian. Glad you are here. Glad you are here. And like I said, I'll go over the popular YouTuber ones that Alan was talking about. So the first one is SBE. I'm actually looking for an entry on this one, guys. SBE, it's acquiring, what is it acquiring? I forgot what it was acquiring. Is it, it's not charge, yeah, it's ChargePoint. Yeah, it's ChargePoint. What am I talking about? There's so many that I forget about them. But it's acquiring ChargePoint. So that's another electric vehicle, or not electric vehicle company, but it's in the electric vehicle space. They provide charging stations for electric vehicles. So I'm looking for an entry to go along on this one, guys. I'm looking for a dip on Monday to 42.94. That's where I'm looking for a dip buy, and this has been on a absolute tear. So we've just making these higher high situations, higher low situations. So we're doing absolutely great. On Monday, we actually broke out. I talked about this resistance with my membership group, that if we broke above, we were bullish, and that's exactly what happened at this resistance lines. Look, we tested it from support multiple times, and we just took off from there. So that's another one. And the other one is NNDM, the one you were talking about, Alan. And this is also another one I'm going long on. It's an amazing company. It's a 3D printing company. And I got in at 815. I'm looking at these 3 levels. Just posted a video on this, Alan. Literally, I think it was 6 hours ago on NNDM. So, Alan, if you want more information about this, just go ahead and watch this video after stream. Can we look at it? Mivis? Sure. Got you, my man. Got you. So, I broke this one down also a while ago. Now, at 640, I talked about this was a strong support. So, on Monday, we definitely need to hold this level. Shoot, if we don't, then we're most likely coming down to 578. Because this is a strong support level. And then we also have a strong support level at 578. So, if we break 640, we need to hold that. Open door. Is that a open door? Okay. So this one just IPO'd. So wow, it looked like it IPO'd at $18 and it took off. So a lot of times with these IPO guys, I just wait for the dust to settle. There's not too much to chart, so we don't have too much to go off of. So this is the only levels I can chart off right now. We have support here at 2716. We have another resistance level here at 2904. So there's not too much I can go off for this one. BFT, I got you, Lisa. Another good one. So, what's this one acquiring? PaySafe. Oh, yeah. I remember this one. So, this is acquiring PaySafe. So, this is another one, guys, that if you want to get in just for the long term, just go ahead and buy in. But I do have some levels here. 1475, we have a strong support here, and also we have a strong resistance at 1544. So guys, if we're going to be bullish, we know we got to get above 1544 going to the session on Monday. If not, we're heading back down to 1475 for a dip buy opportunity. Shift. Got you guys, got you. Oh, is it SFT? Okay, there we go. Thank you. So this one just IPO'd as well. It's been IPO'd for quite some time now, so we do have some action. So we have a strong support level at 841, and then we have a strong resistance level right here at 955. So right now we've been pushing up from support level. As long as we can hold that, we're kind of just consolidating. Now intraday, I don't want us getting below this level right here. Don't want us getting below 912. So we need to hold 912. If not, we'll probably come back down to 841. But overall, looks like we're just doing fine, and we need to watch out still at resistance level. Wish. So Wish. Oh, I wouldn't touch this one. So last time we charted this one, guys, it completely fell through the floor. I mean, this is why I told y'all that y'all need to let these companies that just IPO'd, let them play out. Let them play out. Let them do their thing. But look, guys, we found support right here previously where we opened up when we IPO'd. So $20 is a good support level, but still be careful with this one. Run, another amazing one. Oh my goodness. Look what happened last time I charted out Run, guys. This is literally, I haven't looked at this stock since then. It literally took off and then found support at my level right here. This is why I'm telling you guys that these levels are crucial. These previous levels right here that I've been charting out, they do play out in the future. This is a perfect example. Look, we found support right here, and we're currently still finding support right here. So if I'm bullish on Run, I'm going to move my little scenario I had here last time I charted Run. But same scenario goes, guys. As long as we can hold this new support level that I charted out previously was a resistance level, I'm bullish, and my stop loss will be at 680.55. Guys, this is why these levels are so important. I literally haven't looked at Run since this level right here. And look, it's finding support right here at this next level. So I'm bullish on Run as long as we can hold this level right here, Daniel. Dash. Another one that just IPO'd. Yeah, I'd stay clear of Dash right now, but we are finding support. Let's see. We're finding support right here at 154, but just IPO'd. I still let this one fizzle out. So not too much to chart on this one. RCL. So we found support, let's see, right here at $70, and then we have a strong resistance line, let's see, at 73.76. So we're right at support, so I like taking these type of plays. So I would get in right now, and I have my stop loss. I'd probably give it to, let's see, I'd give it to 69.26, but I like the support play. As long as we get above resistance, I am bullish at 73.76. So another good one. Hey, what do you think of Alibaba? Bernie, I'll get right to you. Let me chart this last one out. So CRM hasn't done much. As long as we stay in this range, I'm be completely fine. Now we are kind of downtrending, so I wouldn't intraday wouldn't want it getting below 224. So it needs to hold this level at 224, either that or heading back down to 217. And then intraday resistance is right here at 232. So right now we're kind of in this next range, so we need to hold this level and get above this level. So Alibaba, thank you for being here, Bernie. I had a little rant about that earlier in stream. I talked about the news around it, how China's investigating them for being a monopoly. I talked about how this happens all the time in the States, where Microsoft, Apple, and all these companies get investigated for being a monopoly. 10 times out of 10, they don't find anything against them. They don't break them up or do anything. Now, I did mention that the Chinese government is a little different. It's a little stricter than the United States, so something may happen out of this, but I would take this just as an overreaction. I think Alibaba will recover. ANBN. Is that wrong? Are you talking about Airbnb? Okay. So Airbnb, same scenario, just IPO. This one actually looks a little better in Dash. We are finding support right here at 154 intraday. So I'd wait. Let us hold this level right here. If we don't hold this level, then we're definitely coming back down to 145. But it's looking a lot better than Dash because we had this uptrend. Now we're kind of consolidating and pulling back for a better, takeoff. But I do like Airbnb a lot better than Dash right now. Fuel Cell, got you, Lisa. So I tried this one out also on my Thursday night stream. I talked about how we needed to hold this level right here at 1195, and as long as we held this level right here, I'm bullish on Fuel Cell, and we're doing perfectly fine. We've held this level several times before, and I would have my stop loss right here at 1140. So that's how I structured my trade for Fuel Cell. We are doing amazing. We did have this breakout play. Our previous support was at 892. We held this level and we're doing just amazing. We're just getting a pullback and we need to confirm this level as support at 1195. BIBU. Did I read that wrong? BIBDU. Okay, gotcha. So this is another good one right here. We had this amazing run up, so I like seeing plays like this. Good call out, Daniel. So we had this run up and now we're kind of bull flagging, consolidating. This is what you want to see after a huge run up. So we have two things after run up, guys. We either have the run up, consolidation like we're doing now, or we have the run up and the sell off. So right now we're having the consolidation, and if you're bullish on a stock, you'd like to see that consolidation because you're not losing money really. So we have a strong support here at 185, and then we have a strong resistance level right here. Let's see, this one's a little tricky. We have a strong resistance level at 196. So bearish below 185, bullish above 196. So right now we're in this consolidation range. I imagine we'll do this for a little bit, but this is what you want to see after a huge run up. It's had this massive run up. Now we're just consolidating. So I let this one play out. SQ. Oh my goodness, Daniel, thank you for talking about SQ. I actually love SQ right now. I'm not in it yet, but I'm looking for an entry. But I want to keep y'all in mind that SQ, it is investing in Bitcoin, and y'all see what Bitcoin is doing right now. So on Monday, I do expect a pop on SQ. We need to get above this level at 229 intraday. As long as we get above this level, we'll be heading back to 235 and then ultimately 243. But awesome. This is going to be high alert on Monday just because they are invested in Square, same as PayPal. And guys, all the new viewers that are tuning in, thank you. I'll get to your stocks in the order that y'all call them out. I do see your comments. Just be patient with me, guys. I do have a lot of tickers to go over with y'all. Apple, I'm in Apple right now as well. We need to hold 131 area. As long as we hold that intraday, as long as we hold this area, then we'll be fine. So I'm looking at us to hold this level. If we don't, then I'm looking for another dip buy opportunity at 129. Overall, Apple's doing amazing, and it'll push up with the market. So actually, Min, for this, I'll chart down the NASDAQ because Apple and Amazon both follow the NASDAQ. So basically, as long as we hold this level right here at 12,672, I'm bullish, and I ultimately want to get above this resistance level at 12,752. So I'd like to see some type of pop up and head back down or head back up to all-time highs. But thank you for the call out. I'm watching both tech for this week. CRISPR, got you. Yeah, Bitcoin is on fire. Don't worry, crypto. And Bernie, I'll get your call outs. Don't worry. Okay, so this is actually a pretty decent one. I actually kind of like this one. So we had the run up, and this is what I'm talking about, guys, with the run up and the consolidation. We're doing it exactly right here. As long as we can hold 166, we're bullish. Or we're not bearish. If we break below 166, then we'll be bearish, and we're probably heading back down to this support level at 155. But right now, we had this massive run up, and as long as we can hold this level right here, we're bullish, because we had this massive run up, and now we're just consolidating and cooling down. So I know Lisa talked about RSI a while ago. Now, like I said, I don't really trade using the RSI, but one way to cool down the RSI is going horizontal like we are doing right now. And as you can see, it was really overbought. Fastly, got you guys. Like I said, be patient with me. I'll get to all of you guys' stocks. Just be patient with me. What's it? FSLY. Okay, got it. So Fastly's been on this amazing, or trying to turn around this uptrend right now. So I'm looking at a resistance level, or sorry, a support level right here. We're right on that area at 96.73. Then obviously we have a strong resistance level right here at 105. So we really need to hold the support level going to Monday session. As long as we hold this level, we're bullish, but we need to hold this level, and I have my stop loss here at 94.93. So I do like Fastly, what it's been doing right now, but we need to continue this momentum and continue this uptrend. Thank you, Bernie, for being here. Thank you, Crypto, for being here. And yes, can Xpeng break 50? Well, let's take a look at Xpeng. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you're new, please join my free Discord server, guys. Once y'all get off the stream, it's completely free. Y'all can chat with me, and we'll post charts and stuff after the stream, or during market open. We're super active, so please join that, guys, after the stream. So Xpeng, can it hit 50? Can it break it? It's possible. First, we need to look at these levels. We need to take this in baby steps. So 40.29, we need to hold this area. Once we hold this area, we can continue this uptrend, get above intraday resistance at 43.77, and once we get above that, we can start uptrending back up to 48.06, and ultimately we need to break through that resistance, and then yes, we can get back to 50. But we still have some key levels that we need to get through before we can get to 50. But I do think Xpeng is bullish going into next week. We'll just have to see how it plays out, but I really don't want it breaking below 40.29 just because that is a strong support level. So Xpeng, NEO, all those are high alert on next week's session. Facebook, okay, Facebook, if the NASDAQ is up, hopefully Facebook will be as well, but we are holding my support level at, where's this at, 268, so as long as we hold this level, I am bullish on Facebook, and we are making these higher low scenarios, so I'm ultimately bullish on Facebook. And as long as the overall market is up on NASDAQ, then Facebook will be up as well, so not too much to worry on that. Bitcoin's on fire, yes, Crypto. Let's take a look at Bitcoin real quick for you. Wrong one. Sorry, I don't use this one. I use Coinbase's one. Yeah, it looks like it's about to hit 27,000. Wow, Bitcoin's doing crazy. I actually have a Bitcoin video coming out tomorrow. Riot, Lisa. You said Riot. Let's do this. Okay. So last time I tried out Riot, I talked about it needed to hold this intraday support at 14.10. What was that? And we broke below it. And I honestly wouldn't touch Riot until we get to $11. It looks like we're heading back down to it, so I wouldn't touch Riot until we got to $11, just because it broke this support right here. I said that it really needed to hold this level, and it didn't. So I let this hold. Daniel, what's up? You want me to do work? Got you. Oops, we're in crypto. Work. Is this the right one? So obviously we had some huge news on this one. So we had some huge news. It was earnings hype or whatever, but we gapped up, and now we've just been consolidating. So this is what you want to see. Not a lot of whole action on work right now. It's been in this it's been on this tight, really consolidation phase. So as long as we stay in this range right here, Daniel, I'm bullish. Wouldn't want it getting below the $42 ultimately. Thank you, Bernie. Thank you for joining my Discord. Appreciate it, my man. Appreciate it. What's up, Dr. H? How you doing today, man? Glad to see you here today. I know you're in my Discord. Thank you for being here, Dr. H. Let's go Square. Yeah, Square is going to be up huge, guys. Square is going to be up huge if Bitcoin continues its uptrend, because it is invested in Bitcoin. Crypto, you said Bitcoin going to do 30K plus in a year. Let's hope so, man. Let's hope so. So Square's bought a bunch of it, and PayPal's bought a bunch as well. Oh, is that a joke, Daniel? Thoughts on space? Oops, is this the wrong one? Space? Is this the one? Doctor, you'll be joining the membership soon. Appreciate it, bro. Appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you. I know I've seen you in the Discord for a while, so appreciate it, man. I'll be glad to have you in the membership. Space. So basically, right here at Space, we need to hold this level at 25.37. We noticed that a bunch of buyers came in when sellers tried to push price down several times over here, and it was a previous resistance level. So we need to hold that level, and then I'd be looking for a resistance level right here at 29.17. So until we can push back up to this resistance, it needs to hold this 25.37 level. I'd have my entry right here, and I'd have my stop loss right here at 24.46. So as long as we can hold that area, guys, I am bullish on Space. Have you done NNDM? Yes, I have, but I'll show you my chart really quick. NNDM. So NNDM, I'm a long-term investor in this. I went long this week. I got in at 8.14, so I am up right now. I was up more, but like I said, I'm a long-term investor, so I am buying on all these dips. So all these lines right here you're seeing, that's where I'm buying at. So I bought some at 9.54, bought some at 8.75, and also I obviously bought at 8.15. So all these lines. Now I didn't buy here. This was just me showing a resistance line right here, but I am bullish on NNDM. I like the company. They're a 3D printing company. They're providing stuff for like the government, healthcare, and all that. So I really do enjoy the company. So I'm bullish on NNDM for the long term. What's your top 3 stocks? Lisa, that is a tough question. Do you mean top 3 as in I like to watch, or top 3 I'm holding? Let me know the answer to that. I can tell you my top 3 that I'm holding if that's the answer. No problem, Crypto. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being here. TTCF. Okay. Let's see. TTCF right now we had the breakout. Now notice how this was a strong support level. Seller tried to push price down all the way on this candle right here, all the way to 23.43. It was instantly bought up, and right now we're kind of consolidating. So this is what I want to see if I'm bullish on this stock. But intraday, I don't want it getting below this level right here. So 24.65, I wouldn't want it getting below this level right here. Intraday. Crypto, you said my top 3 holding. Lisa, is that what you wanted to? What's your prediction for Tesla next week? All the new viewers tune in. Give me 1 second. They want to know my top 3 holdings. Let me scroll up. I posted it in the membership chat, guys. Also, if you want to join the membership, that is a perk that y'all get. Y'all get to see what stocks I'm in. So let's see. So I have 200 shares of NNDM, but by value, my top holding is Apple, AMD, and let's see, Tesla. So those are my top 3 by holding, by value. But by shares, it's NNDM, then it's, let's see, QS, WS, then XPeng, and NEO. I tied those. Bernie, my course is $75 off, so it's $175 originally. It's $100 now, all the way through December 31st. But if you join my membership, which is $10.99 a month, where I go live with y'all like this every single night before market open, y'all do your call-outs like this, then you get it for free all the way through December 31st. If y'all join my membership, $10.99 a month, I'm giving all these members my course for free as a Christmas gift / holiday gift. So you can do it that option as well. But if you don't want to join my membership, then my course is $100. Have you done Blink and Neo? Leia, thank you for coming in. I have, but I'll do it again for you. But let me do Palantir for Bernie. So Bernie, I talked about to Daniel that as long as we held this support at 28.14, that we were bullish, but we didn't hold that on Thursday. So I'm bearish right now, but we need to hold support. If we're going to be any more uptrend, we need to hold support at 27.03 intraday, so we can turn this back around on Monday. So Blink and Neo. Blink. So Blink is doing amazing. I actually am looking at this for long term. So I'm really trying to find a good dip buy on this, but every time I try to get a dip buy, it just continues to skyrocket. But I am looking for a dip buy ultimately back down to around $45. So that's where I'm looking to get a dip buy on Blink. But I really want to go long with this stock because I like what they're doing. I like the company as a whole. I'm just waiting. I'm being patient. I'm waiting for my entry, but it keeps shooting up. Last time I charted Blink, it was at $34, and like I look at it again, and bam, it's all the way up to here. So I missed out on that ride. I should have bought in. And I know people in my Discord got into it and was able to capitalize on that. Neo, Leia, I did Neo as well. I talked about in my video that we needed to hold 44.73. If we hold that on Monday, then I'm bullish, and we need to start heading back up to these resistance lines. I went really in depth in my video in Neo. Posted that like this morning, so take a look at this after the stream. I really went really in depth, but a very short version is we need to hold support at 44.73 going to the session on Monday, and then we have Neo Day coming up January 9th. That's why I drew this big vertical line so y'all could see what we need to hold. AQB, got you guys. AQB, we're doing amazing. We've been on this uptrend. Tried this one out a while ago too. Haven't charted out since, but looks like we did break above. So this one's actually doing pretty good. Let me see. Intraday support, we need to hold this level right here. We need to hold this level at 938. As long as we hold this level, we won't head back down to 858. But if we break this, going to the session on Monday, then we're heading back down to 858. But as long as we can hold this level, then we are still bullish, and we're going to have a resistance line right here at 1024. Plug, Justin, what's up? Glad you're here, man. Glad to see the new faces in here as well. Recognizing some new people. Thank you for being here. Plug. I talked about this as well. As long as we can hold $35, I'm bullish on Plug. If we don't, we're obviously heading back down to $33. So that's how I trade Plug. And then someone was actually talking about shorting it. Justin, were you the one talking about shorting it? Were you the one? Because I know I broke this down for someone. Was that you, Justin, that you talked about shorting it? Or was that someone else? Will you be holding Tesla long? Do you think it will drop after the next quarterly orient? I sold out after S&P 500 was waiting to get back in. Some say it would go back to 550. Thoughts? Lisa, I'm in 10 shares right now, so I'm in like a little position. I'm holding that for long term though. Let's take a look at Tesla. I'm not bearish on Tesla short term until we get below 600. So even if we have a dip that low, I'm not bearish on that. But honestly, we would have to get below first 645 and then 627. So we have several levels before we actually would even consider getting back down to 550. XL. Oh, Justin, that wasn't you. Okay, my bad. Someone's talking about shorting Plug, so I thought that was you. Someone bring this up. So someone brought this up earlier. They were requiring, this is a SPAC, so I don't know much about this company, but I did chart out these levels. But if you're getting into this stock, guys, keep in mind you're getting into it for the company that it merged with or whatever, if it's this new one. So a lot of these SPAC companies are hard to chart out because they're based off of news to begin with. So I don't know much about this company right now, but these are the levels I'm looking at. GIK, got you. Oh, I think this is another one of those SPAC companies. I actually made a video about this a month ago or something. So I like this company. I would hold this long term, but I can chart out some levels for you. We have support here at 1405. Previously it acted as a resistance, so we need to hold this level short term. As long as we can hold this level, we will be bullish. And then we have a support here at 1325. Lisa, thank you. Thank you for the kind comment. Thank you for being here. Appreciate all of y'all that are here tonight, especially on a Saturday night. Thank you for watching a video or live stream about stocks. Target. All right, Daniel coming in with the retail. I see you. So Target is actually doing amazing. So I talked about Target when we were having this downtrend. I think the last time I looked at Target, it looked like this. I think it was on one of my other streams last time I broke this down. But look what happened, guys. We held the level that I charted out. We did this bull flag scenario and just continued this uptrend. Broke through resistance. Now we're acting as support. Daniel, as long as we hold this resistance, as long as we hold this level as a support, then I'm bullish on Target. Next level I'm looking at for resistance level is obviously at all-time highs at 181. But Target doing just amazing. And I'm expecting a really good next quarter for them. So I'm expecting a really good quarter for them. Amazon, what's up, man? Amazon. So right now, Amazon's been in this range. We have support here at $30,082. Notice how many times we've hit this level. We have resistance. Last time I charted Amazon, it looked like this. And it hit this level once again. We got rejected. So, guys, we know that if we're going to be bullish on Amazon, we need to get above 32,047. So, I'm still, we've been trading horizontal. Amazon's been very boring. So, until we break out of this range, there's not a whole lot of action. Bearish below this level, bullish below this level. So, that's how I trade Amazon right now. But if you're in options with Amazon, it's honestly killing your premiums because this whole sideways action isn't fun at all. PSTJ, got you. Okay, this is another good one that's been on a crazy uptrend. So the first level I was looking at was a support level. It held. Then resistance level right here, we passed it right through it, and then now it's acting as a support level, guys. This is why I'm telling you that old resistances act as new support. This happens so many times, guys. This happens so many times that when we have this push up, we get rejected, we pull back, and look where we pull back, right to this old resistance level. This wick literally happened. We found buyers and we push up. So we're still in this consolidation range right here, but we may break it out again on this stock. So watch out for this one. Go into the session. Appreciate everyone tuning in. Thank you for all of y'all tuning in, especially on a Saturday night. Thank you, guys. And if y'all haven't tuned in, check the free Discord and link in the description below. We chat here after the stream. We'll chat here after the stream. I'll break down more stocks for you. If you're just tuning in, link in the description below. WBA. So I talked about this also, Daniel, to you before, that as long as we hold support here at 39.24, we'll be completely fine. We need to, if we head back up to resistance, we need to blast right through it, because right now we are getting, each time we do get this level, we get rejected. So if we know we're going to be bullish, we need to get above this level right here at 41.16. But yeah, right now I have my stop loss here at 38.69. IPOC. So chart this one out too. Is this a merger? This might be another merger. But we have a resistance level right now. It looks like the time just ran out at 1607. As long as we get above this level, I'm completely bullish. Now, if you do want to pull back, I'm looking at 1481 as your pullback and a stronger support here at 1393. WFC. All right. Oh, this is a good one. Oh, this is Wells Fargo, so this is financials. Strong support here at Wells Fargo at 28.66, and then we have a strong resistance here. Let's see. Let me actually get this a little lower. So we're actually, guys, Wells Fargo is actually doing something unique. So we had the breakout, and now we're really on the support line. So previously it acted as a resistance level. So if I'm bullish on Wells Fargo, I don't want it breaking this 29.89 level, and I have my stop loss here at, what's this, 29.64. So Wells Fargo does look really good right now. We had this amazing uptrend. We consolidate. Now we're breaking out again. So be careful with this one. It does look like it may break out again. DKS. I'm going crazy with this long weekend. I feel you, man. I know. Yeah, doctor, you said I know 3.5 days of trading back-to-backs. I know. Like Thursday was half a day. Friday we had off. And then next week we're repeating the same thing, guys. I'm going to go crazy as well. It sucks. I mean, especially when you're addicted to this like all of us are here, and just like watching the stock market move. I mean, I had to find new things to do over this break, because I didn't realize how much I watched the stock market until it's like the weekend, or it's like we have an extended break. So I just realized that over this break. So we have support here at 54.97, and then we have a resistance level right here at 56.73. It acted as a support level here previously, so we know that we're bearish below 54.97. Don't want to get below there. As long as we can hold this level, I am bullish, and then we need to start uptrending back up to this resistance level right here at 56.73. But once we get above that, the next level I'll be looking at for is 58.85. So that's the next level I'll be looking at if we do get above 56.73. If we get below 54.97, then I'll be looking for some buyers here at 54.08. Trade Bitcoin that never closes. Yeah, that's one good thing about Forex, foreign exchange, and cryptocurrency. It's open 24/7. But I'm not big into Forex. I mean, the charts are literally the same. So is cryptocurrency. I'm just now getting in cryptocurrency. So, but other cryptocurrencies, they do move a lot slower. Bitcoin is the only one, and maybe Ethereum. Am I saying that right? Ethereum. Sorry, Ethereum. It's Ethereum. They're the only ones that really move big, and there's some other few ones. I would buy BTC. Trading is a different animal. I mean, I got some fractional shares of Bitcoin right now. Nothing huge, because I don't want to drop 27,000 now almost on one coin. That's expensive for one coin. 137, we have a strong support there. Then we have a strong resistance here at 143. And then if we break below 137, I'd be looking for a dip buy opportunity. Probably right here at 132, but I wouldn't want it breaking below 132. If not, then it's coming back down to 126. But I do like Zillow right now. As long as we can hold this level at 137, I do like it. Start trading back up to resistance level and honestly pushing right above it. So I like these type of plays where you can buy a support, guys. Buying a support is honestly my favorite type of play because that's literally the time you can go the hardest in, the heaviest, the most amount, because you have your stop loss really, really tight. When I go in hard at support levels, that's when I have my stop loss tight. That's why I like playing those levels, because they're so easy to just go in heavy and then tag out if it does fall. Because if it does get below the support, guys, then once it gets below these levels, it's heading back down to the next support level. So there's no need to bag hold it and carry it in. That's why I go really heavy at support levels. That's why I'm a crypto crackhead. Yeah, I can tell by your name, man. But appreciate you being here and charting stocks out with us. Appreciate y'all being here. And thank you to the new people that are joining the Discord. Thank you for... And once we're done with this, guys, all the ones that are tuning in right now, go ahead and join my Discord so we can continue to talk after the stream, because I enjoy having all of y'all here, and I like talking to y'all. So, and I'd like to do that after the stream as well. So the only way y'all can do that is join my Discord. I have ETH and Link for long term. Let's take a look at Ethereum. Hopefully I'm saying that right. Is it Ethereum? Is it on Coinbase? Okay. Ethereum. Yeah, I think I'm saying that right. So Ethereum, let's see. Let's chart out some levels on this thing. So we have support here at 612, and then we have a resistance line right here at 638. So we have the breakout play happening right now. So the next resistance line I'm looking at for Ethereum is right here at 611, or 661. But we did have the breakout play right here. So Ethereum is looking pretty good right now. BCT too much right now, but I know people are looking at 100K price tag. Man, I actually am posting a video tomorrow, and I literally go over the scenario where Bitcoin may hit 100K by the end of 2021. There's an interesting article that I found, and just stay tuned for that video. It's going to be my first Bitcoin cryptocurrency video ever. It's coming out tomorrow. I literally chart out Bitcoin for y'all. ARK. Okay, I actually like ARK. I really love what ARK is doing. Oh, is this the wrong one? It's KK, sorry. ARK is doing amazing. It honestly has benefited from Tesla's run up and Square. They're in Square right now as well. Pretty sure PayPal too. But last time I charted ARK, guys, it was right at the support at 125.72, and as you can see, it held there. It literally held there 3 times, and I missed out on ARK. I didn't take my entry. I should have. I had 3 opportunities too, but I missed out on that. And then obviously it has a strong resistance at 132.87. We got above that, and it hit here 2 times, tagged here 2 times. So we know this is a support level, and right now we're holding it. As long as we hold it, I am bullish on ARK. But I like, yeah. Man, yeah, we did do Palantir, but I'll go over it real quick for you. Give me 1 second. Dr. H, you said, did Kathy Wood say Bitcoin into 500? Probably. I like Kathy. Yeah, Kathy Wood does. That is so true. She's been so bullish on Tesla and all these. She actually bought up NNDM. She bought up NNDM as well. So you know that thing's about to moon. Palantir, I'll go over it brief just because I have multiple times before. But right now we got below 28.14. We need to hold this support level tomorrow at 27.15 on Monday. As long as we can hold that, we will return back. Peloton, oh my goodness, I haven't heard that one in a while. Oh my goodness, I missed out on Peloton. So here's a support area right here, and then honestly we just gapped up, went crazy. Another support level right here, and then we have a resistance level up here. Peloton, those two I get mixed up with. I'm not bearish on it. There's no reason for me to be bearish on this stock. Oh my goodness, guys. I was trading this thing back when it was at $80. I held this thing really at $80. I sold it for earnings, and look where it's at right now. I don't know why I ever sold this stock. It's at 162. It's heartbreaking going back to a stock that you were in and sold and see it just take off. Oh my goodness. Wow. I've missed out on Peloton, but I'm bullish on Peloton as long as it can hold 158. It's had this huge gap up. Thank you. I got 34 people in here right now. Thank you for tuning in on a Saturday. I've been streaming for over an hour. Thank you for tuning up on the stream. For all y'all tuning in, if y'all want to talk to me after the stream, join my free Discord in the description below. Y'all can literally chat with me after the stream, guys, as well. But thank you for tuning in. Just breaking down stocks. I probably am going to end this stream soon. I've been on over an hour. So guys, thank you all for tuning in here. I will do a couple more. I'll do 2 more. So Justin got the first one. He came in first. Whoever gets the last one is lucky. But anyways, so I tried this one out before. As long as we hold this support at 455, I'm bullish on this one. But we do have resistance at 521. If we do break below that level, I am looking for a dip by 394. PACB is number 1 now, and ARKG seems quite interesting. Okay. I have to take a look at that one as well. Thank you, Dr. H. Yeah, no, she has multiple funds, so they're interesting to take a look at. Let me see. PACB. Pacific. Oh, I actually tried this one out before as well. So I said that as long as we hold 26.97, that we are bullish on this stock, and then we have a resistance level at 29.42. But guys, those were the last 2. I appreciate all of y'all being here. Like I said, I want to see all of y'all in the Discord after the stream. Okay, like I said, it's completely free, and only if you want to join my membership where I do these live streams for y'all, like we're doing right now. Stock call out. They call it out every single night before market open. I do these private live streams like I am doing right now. But either way, guys, y'all can join my free chat. We can talk there. I can break down stuff for you. But thank you all for being here. I appreciate it. And I'd like to see some of y'all in there from stream. And before I go, Min said, I've been trying to get in PACB, but not sure what's a good entry. Okay, man, I'll answer that really quick for you. If we break below 26.97, a good entry would be at $23, okay? So that's where I'd be looking for a dip buy opportunity on PACB. If we break below there, we don't have a strong support again to 23.10. But guys, I am going to end this stream. So if you want to look back, I'll post this as a recording so you can rewind if you just started. Appreciate Crypto Man, Dr. HJ, Justin, Alan, Daniel, all of y'all, Lisa for being in here, Bernie. Thank you for being here, guys. I might do a live stream on Sunday, but I don't know. I may, depends on how busy I am. But I am doing a live stream for my membership chat. So like I said, $10.99 a month. If y'all want to join that, get my free course or my course for free. So I'll be live streaming for them privately. But thank you for being here. Thank you for being here, CP. Thank you all guys for being here. I'm going to end it now, and I will see you all maybe tomorrow or at least on Monday. But thank you guys. I'll see you all next time.